Hi everyone, it's Teacher Ophelia from Penny Pumpernickel Pants Play Care. Today we're going to be doing a craft together. We're making dinosaurs in dinosaur eggs. So if you're a pumpernickel, you'll have all your supplies in front of you. And if you're a new friend, just head on over to pennypumpernickelpants.com and pick up your template and everything you'll need. Here we go. I'm starting with a piece of 8x10 paper. Mine is green. You can have regular paper too and color it if you want to. I also have my templates of my two dinosaurs. They are so cute. And I'm going to be doing one at a time. I think I'm going to choose this one first, so I'll put this one to the side. And we're just going to choose the colors that we want to color our cute little dinosaur. I think that I'm going to use the color orange. So grab your marker or your crayons now, and let's start. Now I like to go around my black lines first, but you do not have to do it that way. You can start anywhere you want. This is your craft. Sometimes I do it this way because it helps me keep inside the lines. Later on, we'll be cutting out our dinosaurs and gluing them onto our green paper. I'm going to move my paper right now and just start coloring. I really, really like orange. I wonder what color you chose. If you're doing the same color as me or a different color. I really like to use markers. But crayons can be fun too. There we go. I'm going to do the tail. It's looking super cute. All right, now to the head. Tracing around, taking my time. If I'm doing it too quickly and you need a little bit more time, remember to pause your video and then come on back. Otherwise, we can just do it together. That is looking good. These cute little eyes. Perfect. I'm gonna head on over to the feet. I could do the feet a different color, but I think I'll keep them all the same and just leave my little buddy's toenails to color in a different color. I guess I could do rainbow colors or all the same color. You can do whatever you like. Yay, I like the way that looks. Now I think I'm going to be doing yellow toenails. Yellow and orange complement each other very well. Complement means they go well together. I like that. So now I'm going to move on to my second dinosaur. So right now you can pause the video and come on back when you're done. Now that we've colored our dinosaurs, we're going to take our safety scissors and cut them out. If you need the help of a grown-up, be sure to ask. Otherwise, just be safe. Make sure that when you're cutting, you are keeping your fingers away from your blade. I leave a little bit of room around the dinosaur. And then if I want to come back after, I can fix it up then. But for now, I just want to get my little friend here out from the paper. Wonderful. There's one. We'll do the second one together. watch your fingers. If you need to pause the video, do that now. I want you to be totally focused on what you're doing. That looks great. Now that we've cut out our dinosaurs, we're going to glue them onto our paper. So I'm going to grab my paper and I'm going to put them like so. Now I also have another piece of paper that I could use, but I'd like to keep them on the same piece today. So that's your choice. I'm going to turn over my dinosaur and just put my glue on the wrong side. By wrong side, I mean the side that I do not want to show. I'm going to make sure he's in the middle. That looks great. Next, turn over, glue the same. Make sure there's lots of glue so that he holds down. And I'm going to put his feet about the same height. There we go. Looking good. So now I know that it's secure with my glue. I'm going to put my piece of paper to the side and I'm going to bring up my dinosaur eggs. I have 2 lids and 2 bottoms, and I'm just going to grab a marker. I'm going to take some black marker because my dinosaur outline is black too, but you can use any color you like. And I'm just going to go around the edge of my egg, leaving a little bit of room to match my dinosaur. Wonderful. On to my next one. You could choose to keep them all the same color lines, or you could do rainbows. You could color your eggs in if you want to. You could leave them blank. Maybe you even have stickers you could use to put on your shells. I think I'm going to leave mine white though. There we go. That's looking good. And the last one, go around. Take your time. We're in no rush right now. There you go. Beautiful. You see the little bit of space I left around the egg. And now I'm going to bring back my piece of paper with my dinosaurs, and I'm going to take the bottom of my egg, flip it over, put some more glue on. They're both the same, so you can choose which dinosaur is going to go in which egg. I like that. Choose another one. Do the same thing for your other dinosaur. Very nice. Now I'm going to take the lids, flip them over, and put them over here. I don't know if I'm going to put mine on top. Maybe I'll put it just to the side. And then take a little bit here. You can choose to do it on this side or over here. And smushity smush it down. I like the way that looks. Next, I have some bunny nest crafting paper. And I'm going to spread out just a little bit. I'm going to take my glue and glue a little bit more glue to the bottom because I want to make sure that it stays on. If you're using white glue right now, that would be amazing. But I have a glue stick and I'm just going to press down because he's in a nest. And I want to make sure that's very good. I shake it a little bit to make sure that it's secure. You see how I'm putting a little bit more glue than I would on the other things? That's great. I'm going to take another piece, just about that much, but you can play with it and press it down with your fingers. If it sticks, just go like this. Get it all off. If you press too hard, it might stick, but that's okay. That's normal. Paper will stick to glue, and that's what we want to do. Check your fingers. That is very secure. Just get away anything that might be sticking out. Oh, that looks good. If you have extra, you could put a little bit around the side. Like I said, you could color your egg. Now you can choose to leave the eyes, but I just happen to have some googly eyes. So I'm going to take some googly eyes and add them to my dinosaur friend. Oh my goodness, that is looking very silly, and I love making my crafts silly. I think I will take a blue one right here and one right there. Actually, maybe I'll give this friend a pink one. Press down a little bit to make sure it's secure. And there you have it. D for dinosaur craft. How does yours look? D for dinosaur. I really like it. I hope you like yours too. Head on over to pennypumpernickelpants.com and send me some photos. Until next time.